The much awaited meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US President Donald Trump concluded just a few hours ago. This was a meeting that the entire world was waiting for.
Nice to see you again.
Missed you. We missed you a lot.
And as far as takeaways are concerned, so these takeaways are being discussed widely on social media now. Both the leaders addressed a joint press conference, and now we have a joint statement after this particular meeting. As far as defense sector is concerned, so both the leaders have committed cooperation in the sector for the next 10 years. There are a number of defense related platforms and equipments that India is using from United States, and now there is an active discussion on a number of other platforms and equipments. In fact, US President Donald Trump said that US is going to sell F-35 fifth generation aircraft to India. It is important at a time when Indian Defense Ministry has categorically said that options are open for any sort of acquisition as far as fifth generation aircraft is concerned. India has been working on its own indigenous fifth generation fighter jet, that is AMCA, but the prototype production and the real production is far away from reality as of now. India needs a fifth generation aircraft, and whether or not it is going for F-35 is not yet clear. The joint statement, of course, did not mention about F-35, but the fact that United States President Donald Trump mentioned about F-35 say a lot about the potential deal that can happen in the coming years. As far as other platforms and equipment are concerned, so Stryker combat vehicle is one thing that is in discussion between the two countries for last so many months. We can see the finalization of this particular deal. In fact, Javelin anti-tank guided missile was very much discussed, and India and United States can co-produce this particular missile here in India. India has been using a number of platforms from United States, and recently we have concluded the formalities for Predator drones. In fact, from 2029 onwards, India will start receiving these Predator drone. Total 31 units are going to be there for the Indian Navy, Air Force and Indian Army, and this is going to be one induction that is going to change how things are seen as of now. When we talk about these advanced platforms, so India has been focusing on Atmanirbharta, and we have seen in the past that how straight from aircraft carrier to fighter aircraft, India has come a long way. But as far as defense partnership and collaboration is concerned, so India and United States have discussed this in length, and in the coming years, both the countries will somewhere collaborate and cooperate each other in terms of defense productions and in fact the kind of strength and partnership that both the countries are looking forward to.